Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to track a TextPlus number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow this steps as well. Here, tracking a TextPlus number can be very difficult or even impossible for the general public due to the app's privacy policies and the fact that TextPlus numbers are VoIP internet-based numbers not tied to the physical SIM cards or specific GPS enabled services. But what you can do is just simply head over and open up your TextPlus app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the log icon on the bottom of your screen, and here you can check your history of the selected number. Then you can also tap on this home icon and then upgrade to premium to get extra features like lock in your custom number, unlimited US calls and text, prioritized customer support. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.